Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a highlight reel or clips in Picture Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the Picture Gallery. Next, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Create. Now tap on Highlight Reel and select a video or some videos or pictures. Next, tap on Highlight Reel button at the bottom. Now in here you can also select which type of music that you want to include it. You could comics, happy, lounge, relaxing, upbeat, sentimentals, and others. So select a type of music and then you can choose to edit or share or simply tap on the save button. Now right next to the player there is this button here where you can change the size of the videos, so you can have it in portrait mode or in landscape mode. So tap on that to change the orientation and then tap on saved, and now this will save the video. Okay, after it has saved the video, you can now tap on the back key to go back, and here at the top you can see the video has now been created by combining some of the photos and videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.